Okay guys, hello. All right, Sarah here, and we are working on a 10-inch cradled wood round. I've got a couple of cups there to hold it above the doggy piddle pad. Now, in my last video, you saw that mix pour was back. I'm super happy about this because the last piece was incredible. And I'm going to remove the nickel azo gold. And we are just going to work with the fluorescent violet by Acrylic. The Pebio's iridescent blue green. That's an air bubble, not a lump. We're also going to work with Arteza's violet. 24K gold by DecoArt. And Artist Loft soft body white. Now these are all mixed 7 parts medium to 1 part paint. And I think we're just gonna layer up this cute little cup here. And let's see, I don't know, that's it. We're just gonna do a ring pour or something, or maybe a straight pour, who knows? I'm not sure how I'm gonna feel in a moment, so I could change my mind. So we're going in with the white, then the gold. I'm gonna come in with violet. I'm gonna then come in with the fluorescent violet. And I'm gonna come in with some white. The Pebio. Let's follow that with a bit of gold. Maybe a little bit of violet. Yeah, just a little. And how about some white? Fluorescent violet. This is going to be more than enough paint for this piece here. All right, so I think that's where we're going to just leave it. We're just doing a quick pour here, and we're just going to have a little bit of fun. There we go. I'm going to spread this out a bit. You don't have to, but I feel like everything will just slide beautifully on these boards. I've never used one that's been, that's cradled. So I've used just the regular MDF, which is pretty, but yeah. There we go. And we are going to pour. You might hear the garbage barrel out there. And I am going to finish with a ring pour in the middle. And I'm going to try and catch it. Dang it. It didn't do what I wanted. There we go. I love it. It looks so pretty. And I am going to come in and wreck it because why not? There's that. And we're going to come in here. A lot of that is just going to fall right off, but that's okay. Let's give it a quick torch. Love that violet. I mean, it's killer. What can I say? I'm gonna come off here. I wanted to get rid of that gold. Come off a little more over here. And maybe a little, I really like what's going on over here, so I don't really want to lose that. So So maybe I can manipulate it, and then I'm gonna pull it back this way. And I got it all over my cups that I was using to support. Oh yeah. She's such a pretty little thing. Just so quick and easy to do these. And then clean off the bottom. I think I want to bring it this way a little because I really want to make sure that we don't lose that blue. And we have plenty of paint on this to be able to move it around a little more. Definitely where I want it to be. Okay, so we're gonna clean this little one up. And I think you guys can pretty much see the details in it with all the lines. And what I did was taped off the sides so that there's just a little bit of a lip, which will be cool. We'll see how it does. We'll let it drip. All right. As Karen would say, ta-da! Let me see. I kind of like what's in here. I feel like I need to like just bring it through. I feel like it needs something else. Let's test out what's coming out of the cup. Yeah, I like that. It looks like it's floating on there. Okay, let's bring you guys in. That is really, really cool. So again, Mix Pour is back. Amazing. Link is in the video description box. There's a coupon code for you guys to use. And this is going to look amazing. Thanks so much for joining me for this quick little video. Bye. I think that's my favorite spot too.